Cook Japanese curry rice if run out of time. It's so easy. You may put ingredients you like for this recipe. You may only put sausage or potatoes. This recipe is simple and delicious. Prepare your favorite ingredients. I like my one-pot rice colorful, hence I have prepared bell peppers, carrot, potato, corn kernel, onion and broccoli, rice and Japanese curry cubes. Cubes ingredients. Washed rice pour into rice pot. Add in all ingredients. Two Japanese curry cubes and pour enough water. Season with salt and light soy sauce before cooking. Japanese curry rice is done. All ingredients are cooked too. Mix well. Plate and ready to eat. Each bite has different ingredients. Taste with Japanese curry aromatics. Finish this whole plate within 5 minutes. This is too delicious. The person who invented this recipe is brilliant. Follow my channel now for more delicious recipes. Thanks for support. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.